we are going to see the vulnerability related to the HTML injection from the Bwapp application. We log into the application with the default credentials, and now in previous session we discussed about the HTML injection reflected get in a low severity. Now we are going to test it in a medium severity. So set the security level to the medium, click on set. Now we can see the current severity is medium. Now enter the as usual payload, heading and the close tag here. So we are going to mention it here, and we are making that a heading 2. Then click on go. But here we can see that the HTML code is directly displaying here instead of executing because of the security level is medium. So we will see how the code is reflected in the view page source. Okay. You can see here actually we entered the less than h1 and greater than, that means in between the brackets we kept the h1 heading, but here we can see that h1 is converted, that means encoded into the NLT and ALTGT. It means whatever it may be the data we enter, it is encoding like this. So we'll intercept the request and we'll see how the server is handling this. The application front-end code handling this. Click on go. Open the Bwapp suite. Just see, it is just a normal URL encoding. You can see. Here we can see the decoded value of this, and we'll intercept the request also. A response to forward. Sorry, response not intercepted. Go. Response to this request and forward, and we'll see where is our payload here. Already we remember that the payload is NLT is there, or else heading it's not reflected here. Yeah, sorry, we have not entered the both fields here. Again we'll enter it, heading 2, and click on go. Intercept the response, forward, and now we can see here. See here, the server is encoding the less than bracket here. That's the reason the payload is not getting executed in the application. So now what we'll do, we'll encode the payload and try that. Okay, that means we'll use the URL encoder. We'll copy the HTML code here, paste it, and simply encode this. Copy this value, enter the value here. Same in the last name also, we'll enter the same value and click on go. That's it. See here, the particular HTML code got executed in the application. We'll see it in the view page source too also. View page source. We'll search for the heading, or else simply we can highlight this. We'll say that view selection source. Yes, see here, this particular code got executed like this. That means it is trusting as the valid input and it reflected here in the, that means the code got executed here.